Tap the goat your nose. Come back here. Come back here, son. Somebody something for you now. Yes, somebody.
It's book.
What is it?
ABC book.
What you must say?
Thank you. Thank you.
I shall sit down on the ground. Where are you?
Alright.
Lord Jesus, you look like you have a pencil. Oh.
Thank you.
I also bought a rubber and a sharpener.
Mommy,
And I'm going to put work in the book for you guys now, okay?
Okay.
Yes. I put work in the give you no come. Put work in here. Okay, so this is by far the hardest thing I've ever done.
Mommy, look
Come.
here.
Ariana is getting it. Ariana is doing very well. But Ariana is also a 4, so Ariana has to do well. Good job. Straight line. Good job. Which alphabet is that?
A.
Good job. Aisha, which alphabet is this?
A.
A, good. But you have to learn to draw the A now. My daughter does not know how to use the pencil. I don't know which hand she use. Come, mommy, baby. Come. Come, mommy, teach you. Come.
Mommy.
Put your hand.
Mommy. The baby.
Yes, you hold it better than her. Your sister just learning. This is their first time learning. Come, baby. Go down.
That's for me, mommy.
Yes, this one too long. Go again.
I don't want it to lose.
Oh, God, Aisha. Aisha, take time now. Aisha, hold the pencil.
She thinks she's better than me.
Who thinks they're better than you?
My sister.
What are you talking about? So as I can see, she understands what she do. She understands what she she just don't know if you do it properly yet. Draw them, baby. Trace them.
Perfect.
No, Aisha. Mommy is gonna erase them again. Mommy wanted to draw them properly.
Mommy, I need to.
Good job, Ariana. Good job. Where the
Mommy,
little big player come from?
Mommy, me want to do it again.
Do it again.
Hey.
Mommy's gonna give you more. Wait, give me a minute. A girl.
Girl.
I am a girl.
I am a girl.
My name is
My name is
Dee&Jillany Ariana.
Ariana Mullin.
Good job. I am a girl. I am a girl. Say Aisha.
Aisha.
No, I am a girl.
I'm a girl.
My name is. My name is Aisha. Repeat after me. I am a girl.
I'm a girl.
My name is. Repeat after me. I am a girl. Aisha, I am a girl.
Mommy.
Okay, you don't want names. My name is. My name is.
Aisha.
Repeat after me. Say what I say. Say my.
My name is girl.
Hmm?
My name is girl.
Your name is girl. Hello. Stop act like you're crazy. Weeks are of the weeks are Sunday,
Sunday,
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yes, this is what? 1.
One.
This is?
2.
No, that is A.
A.
B.
B.
C.
C.
D.
D. I'm all done.
E. Good job, Ariana. Good job. Good job.
I'm going to get an X on this. Because if I lose, my sister is gonna win. I have to do this. If I lose, Mommy, look. Mom,
Good job. Finish them. Finish them.
Right? Mommy, we are gonna run fast.
Good job, Aisha. See? You're getting better. Okay, do this one.
Oh. Oopsie.
Continue. That's okay. Continue.
Huh?
Ari, stop.
Huh?
Pay attention, baby. Look what you're doing. Good job.
Another one.
Aisha, find all manner of people for this check herself. Look at she do.
Huh?
Look there.
Oh my, what is my sister doing? She wanted to teach me how to write? Nonsense!
No. Come here.
Nonsense.
Cause they see they look like they turn back way. Come here, me see they see they.
Nonsense.
Okay, book come. You obviously you turn the book upside down. Hold this, come on, no way that just a little while. Go draw them again. Me say me fi start the video cause they want. Okay, so me start the video. Draw it now. Draw this. Draw it. Write it. Write the A. Go. Next one. Next line, Aisha. Yes, draw the other line. Yes, draw the middle one now.
Mommy, you are a sheet.
You are see.
Mommy, this is black.
Let me see your A, Ari.
Then turn backwards.
Draw another A. That's good. You did well, but draw another one, please. So, come on. We went out today and we bought something and I want you guys to taste it. We buy cheesecake. You like it? Come, Kasha. Baby, come. Baby. Aisha, come.
Baba. Baba.
Aisha. Okay. Nah, but I give you none then. Come. Come! Nice.
Wait, yes. Is it good?
Is it good? Ah.
Woohoo!
Okay.
Yeah, because
Have you ever tasted strawberry before?
Yeah. No, I never eaten strawberry.
No, you have never tasted the strawberry before.
But I did want one strawberry.
I'm gonna let you taste real strawberry now. Okay? Let's go.
That's real strawberry. It's
How is it? Do you like it?
Mommy, my strawberry.
Wait. Put it back. Ah, there.